Have you ever wondered if you can enjoy walnuts and bananas together? Maybe you've thought about tossing them in your smoothie or mixing them into your breakfast bowl, but you're not quite sure if they go well or if it's healthy to eat them at the same time. Well, the good news is yes, you absolutely can eat walnuts and bananas together, and they actually make a great combo. Let's break down why this pairing works so well. Bananas are famous for being an easy, natural source of energy. They're packed with carbohydrates, especially natural sugars like glucose and fructose, which give you a quick boost when you need it. Plus, bananas are loaded with potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and supports healthy muscle function. On the other hand, walnuts bring something different to the table. They are full of healthy fats, especially omega-3 fatty acids, along with protein and fiber. These nutrients help keep you feeling full longer and support brain health, heart health, and even reduce inflammation. Walnuts also have antioxidants that fight off damage in your body's cells. When you combine the quick energy from bananas with the lasting fuel from walnuts, you get a snack or meal that's balanced and satisfying. The banana's natural sweetness pairs perfectly with the rich, slightly bitter crunch of walnuts, making the taste really enjoyable too. Eating walnuts and bananas together is also great for your digestion. The fiber in both helps keep your digestive system running smoothly. Plus, the healthy fats in walnuts can help slow down the absorption of sugars from the banana, which means your blood sugar won't spike too quickly. This combo is perfect for breakfast, a midday snack, or even a pre- or post-workout boost. You can slice bananas on top of a bowl of oatmeal with walnuts sprinkled over, blend them into a creamy smoothie, or just enjoy them as they are. So, there's no reason to hesitate. Walnuts and bananas together are not only safe but also delicious and nutritious. Next time you want a snack that gives you energy, supports your brain, and tastes amazing, grab some walnuts and a banana. You'll be giving your body a powerful and tasty treat.